Didn't want the humans to get upset. Welcome, everyone. We've all heard those multiple tones that not only warn humans of approaching disaster, but give you headaches for 24 hours. But, did you ever wonder about the alert speakers behind the scenes? Meet Samantha. Now, Samantha is part of the EAS alert system for 7 years and she's here to reveal something to us.
Well, Tom, I've been the EAS for the southern region of Iowa, have a great relationship with another EAS named Nathan, and we've been pretty happy together. Then, I met Mike. We met during a blizzard coming into the West Coast, and I almost blew my speech synthesizer. I'm here today to tell Nathan I've been cheating on him with Mike over the last 2 EAS alerts in Iowa.
Are there any minimizers in this relationship?
Only if Mike wants one.
Well, let's meet your soon-to-be-ex. He's an EAS from eastern North Dakota. Here's Nathan. Welcome, Nathan, to the show.
You nasty little whore. No wonder you never want to drop tones anymore.
I don't want you
just
anymore.
run off, like the
You
damn
never
bitch
let
you
me
are.
do me.
It's all about you,
But
isn't
I don't
it?
want you.
All about you.
I don't want
I
you
mean,
anymore.
what the fuck?
You never
I
let
tried
me
so
do
hard
me.
to make it work.
Wow. Nathan, you've been with Samantha, how long?
2 years. I thought everything was going okay, until this slut decided to bring me on your show to tell me this. I hope they dismantle you once they find out what a lying, cheating skank you are.
If I understand correctly, you have something you wanted to reveal to Samantha, as well.
That's right, Tom. I just want to tell this corrosive, two-faced bitch, I found someone better than you. And, she's all that.
But, before we go on, you had Samantha take a lie detector test. And we have the results, courtesy of ChatGPT's new false detection system. So GDP asked you, Samantha, were you looking at other male EAS systems while in a relationship with Nathan? You said no. GDP reported that was a lie.
I knew
But
it.
that
I
can't
knew
be
it.
possible.
Lying snake.
GDP asked you if you ever really in a relationship with Nathan. You said yes. GDP detected that was a lie.
We're
No.
done. We are
That's
so
not
done.
right.
We're done.
It's not true.
We are so done.
And now, Nathan has a new love in his alerts, from the depths of space, to a being here on the Tom Show. Let's welcome Cordina to the show.
What did
No.
I tell you?
That's
She
not
IS
right.
all that.
It's
Hey,
not true.
baby.
Hi, Tom. What do you think of my sexy lover?
Why don't get swept up in a black hole, bitch? I forgot, you are a black hole. At least I didn't tone on some nobody EAS alert. That sparked me.
Cordina, why did you entertain Nathan when he was with Samantha?
Tom, she didn't know that her lover and I were programmed at the same time. He's my brother, and he told me everything.
Oh, my God.
Now, let's meet your brother. Welcome Mike, to the show.
You think
How could
I
you do
didn't
this
know?
to me?
You were cheating on
What
me.
about Long Beach?
Are you fucking insane?